This is Molly in the bath. She seems to be purring. We're going to wash her, and we're going to wash her brother Newbie, and then we're going to give them sulfur dip. Come on, Molly, let's get wet. You can look closer if you want. Yeah, she's still purring. Such a good girl. Good girl, Mom. You starting to like water now? It's weird, isn't it? You want to get soapy? You want to get soapy, Molly? The way she's still purring.
That's great.
I know. I think she likes how warm it is.
Yeah.
It's warm. It's actually kind of comfortable when it's warm, isn't it? This is when Mommy takes baths. Now you know. Now you know. You might not like this part. Mommy's gonna get you soapy. Gotta bring you over here though. Yeah, you're still purring. Such a good girl. I'm gonna get your paw. And your other back paw. One with all the gooey stuff on it. Weird. I might as well get your other paw. Where you going? Where you going, sweetie? You gotta come back over here. Here. I know. Come on. Gotta get your other paw. And you're still purring. Alright, finally for the part that you really don't like. Close your eyes. Okay, now to rinse you off. See, doesn't that kind of feel nice? Isn't that why you're purring, huh? Still purring. Oh, I'm so proud of you, sweetie. I'm just going to make you lay down. You're not going to like it. There you go. Now you're all wet. That's good. All right, sweetie.